The Dolkal hill range is located at a distance of 30 kilometers from Dantewada in Chhattisgarh. It was named Dolkal because of its similar shape to Dol. A rare statue of Lord Ganesha sits at a height of about 2,500 feet here. The upper right hand holds the axe, the broken tooth in the left hand, the lower right hand holds Akshamala in the Abhay Mudra gesture, and the lower left hand holds a Modak. The special thing is that this rare statue of Lord Ganesha is carved in ordnance form. Bappa is sitting here in Lalitasana posture. Such a pose in Ganesh statue is not seen anywhere other than Bastar. According to Bastar's special expert Hemant Kashyap, such a legend is fabled that the battle among Lord Ganesha and Parshuram was fought on the Dolkal peak, in which a tooth of Lord Ganesha was broken. Only after this, Lord Ganesha is called Ekadanta. To commemorate this incident, the Chindak Nagvanshi kings installed the statue of Ganesha on this summit. Lord Ganesha's one tusk got broken due to Parshurama's axe or farsa. Therefore, the village is named Faraspal, located at the foothills of this peak.
ऐसा कहा जाता है कि भगवान शिव से मिलने नंदीराज पर्वत में परशुराम जी आए थे। उस समय गणेश जी पहरेदारी कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं भगवान शिव से मिलना है, लेकिन गणेश जी ने कहा कि वे भी तपस्यालीन है और वे अभी किसी से नहीं मिलेंगे। इस बात को लेकर विवाद हुआ और ये बात युद्ध तक पहुंच गई।
The Bhoga tribal families of southern Bastar trace the origin of their lineage to the female priestess of Dolkatta, Dolkal. First of all, a woman of Bhoga tribe started worshipping here after climbing the peak of Dolkal. In the morning, the sound of this female priestess echoed throughout the entire Dolkal peak. Even today, the descendants of this woman worship Lord Ganesh here.
कि एक मुक्ते नाम की एक महिला जो थी इस गणेश की पूजा करती थी, और जब वो शंख की फूंकती थी अपने पूजा करने के बाद तो पूरा गांव जागता था।
Sanjeev Pachori, an expert on Bastar, says that this deity was installed by the Chindak Nagvanshi rulers on the top of the hill in the 11th century as the custodian of Dantewada region. The axe in the hand of Ganeshji as his weapon confirms this. This is the reason why Nagvanshi rulers installed the deity on such a high hill. Nagvanshi rulers have inscribed Nag or a cobra on the idol of Ganesha while sculpting the statue, so that the statue may maintain balance. Therefore, the craftsman has used the chains of Janeyu.
यह एकमात्र प्रतिमा है जिनके हाथ में अपना टूटा हुआ दांत लिए हुए हैं। वो दूसरा, उनके पेट पर एक शेष नाग का होना और एक जनेऊ के बदले एक जंजीर का होना, ये एक विशेषता पैदा करता है कि इस तरह की जो मूर्ति है जो विश्व में एकमात्र मूर्ति है और प्राचीन काल की है। ये
The idol of Lord Ganesha is made of stones found in the foothills of Indravati river. It is installed on the top of the hill in an area of 2 square meters. This is the highest peak in the Bailadilla hill range. Its intricate structure and carving shows that even in the 11th century, such excellent artworks were in fashion. Every year during the summer season, a 3 days long fair takes place in Faraspal village under this peak. During this time, Lord Ganesha, Parshurama are worshipped along with other local deities.
हर साल गर्मी के दिनों में वहाँ 3 दिवसीय फरसपाल का मेला लगता है, जहाँ ढोलकल गणेश की, परशुराम जी की और स्थानीय देवी देवताओं की पूजा होती है।
The statue of Ganesh on the highest peak in Chhattisgarh can be reached by crossing insurmountable and pathless hills and ravines. This is the reason that people rarely come here. The villages around the area offer prayers. This site needs to be further developed. The state government and the tourism department should pay attention so that a large number of tourists can reach not only from around the state but also from the country and abroad to see this rare work of art. An ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.